Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to YGG video update today. And this quite got my attention and a lot of your attention as well. So let's talk about it. What a huge sell-off. This is a very big sell-off right there. Pump to the upside, that was amazing. As long as this was happening, it was amazing. I actually did look at YGG for some time, and I saw a lot of volume. There was a lot of massive buying in millions. Okay, the volume were in millions for YGG, but right now this went up, and what else do you expect? Pump it up, sell it off. That's just how it is. Now a lot of people have been trapped into the coin, and this is maybe the beginners. Most of the beginners and the retail investors are the ones who are going to be facing problems at the end of this coin as well. So let's go back into the daily and let's start to analyze from the daily time frame. And you can see that the daily was quite something like this. Went down like this. There's a big accumulation to me. There's an accumulation down there, and then you start to pump to the upside once again. So there's a place that it's coming down to, and if I take the trend line right there, I do see this trend line here that might be retested again. So this is a trend line that was broken and you never back tested the trend line. So again, this is a concept known as a dirty retest. So you have one touch here as your resistance there, resistance here. So this is a perfect trend line because it only takes 3 touches to basically make a trend line. And right now what you're doing is you're coming down again, and it does look like you are going to fall down to 0.3077. You actually did push all the way up to nearly 0.99, nearly $1 right there. So we are down, and we are getting a very big discount right now. So right now it's like 64% down, and that's going to be almost 68% down, which is also the 0.618 of the golden ratio as well. For example, what I'm going to do is take the Fibbs, and let me show you through the Fibbs what's happening here. So you can take the bottom right there, the recent bottom from where you started off, and the top here, you can see that that's almost a 0.618, but right now it seems like you are interested to go to the 786. So 3046, hold this, you might get a little bit of a push back up to the 436. This is where you have the resistance. Okay, so I do expect one bounce here, go back up. So we could be looking at almost a move from there to there. That could be 50% move to the upside. Now, given that you do actually hold this as your support, amazing. Then you do have good chances to back up here to the 618, cross the 618, and you do have the 5583 as well. So that's pretty much it for this YGG update. Let's see what happens, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.